Why should you choose Zensar for your outsourcing solutions? Is it their global delivery capabilities, or is it their world-leading quality processes? Is it their revolutionary solution blueprint, or is it their expertise or the people who put it into practice? Whatever your reasons, you'll find more than one IT solutions from them. You'll find a company that goes not just out of the box but also out of its way to meet challenges and specific needs of your business. A company that's as driven by a commitment to make you succeed as you are. It's a transformation partner. We spoke to the general manager R.R. Dasgupta recently, who came all the way from India. Let's talk to him. R.R., welcome to TechBiz.
Thank you very much.
So R.R., what opportunities did you find here in the US?
Well, significantly, Zensar has been around in the Valley as well as all over US for many years right now. Our company dates back about 25 years and we have significant amount of client base in India as well as in the US. The growth path for Zensar is moving away from the so-called pack of just application maintenance and developers and bringing innovations to the market, like Solution Blueprint. What this framework, which we call Solution Blueprint, really does is to change the entire paradigm of software development life cycle, where you actually get on to capturing the business cases at the design level, what we call UML, and from there on you can actually, since you've captured the business logic there, it becomes absolutely platform independent, so you can actually publish applications on the fly. This is really revolutionary as far as the entire software development lifecycle is concerned. And more customers, many of the marquee customers, are talking to us to take this forward with their application development lifecycle.
What differentiates your product from the dime a dozen solutions that's available in the market?
The core value proposition of Zensar is to bring innovations to the customer front. I know people talk about customer intimacy and innovation in one breath, but I think we have the best of both worlds at Zensar, bringing in frameworks like the Solution Blueprint, which is really revolutionizing the software development lifecycle, significant and saving significant dollars amounts for customers, especially for their re-engineering and maintenance cycles. The other value proposition I would like to talk about is our entire consulting-led approach. And so much is going on about outsourcing to India, but when we talk about outsourcing to our customers, we really take a good look and revisit the processes with which they want to outsource. And there again, what we are seeing is that there is significant opportunity for us to optimize those processes first and then outsource. So it's almost like a double whammy the customer gets, optimized processes and then outsource, which is significant saving of effort and time and money for them.
I think your company is very dedicated to social initiative. How important is that with you?
Well, Zensar, okay, let me take a step back. Zensar actually is one of the very few companies in the world which is recently got upgraded to CMMI level 5 certified. And now this is like the Software Engineering Institute standard for a capability maturity model integrated, and Zensar is one of the few companies. And we also adopt TQM standards like the ISO 9000, and we also align to the European Forum for Quality Management criteria, the CII, which is the Confederation of Indian Industry EXIM criteria. So given that framework, we have tried to develop a holistic organization. And we think at Zensar, we think we have a lot to give back to the community around us. So we have actually very senior people charting that path for the social initiatives. I happen to be a key member of the social initiatives for Zensar. Few examples: we've been supporting an organization called CRY, Child Relief and You, in India. This organization really looks after underprivileged children, and there is a voluntary deduction scheme which all employees participate in Zensar. Apart from that, we work with an organization called Akanksha. Akanksha is again focused on education for underprivileged children, and I think it all goes back to our 5F formula, which is fast, focused, friendly, flexible, and fun. So everything that we do in Zensar is around the 5F. So we are fast on our feet in responding to our customers. We are focused. We don't want to mean everything to everybody. So we are focused on verticals. We are friendly on the inside and outside. At Zensar, we enjoy phenomenal, a very informal environment. Everybody is known by first name basis, and our CEO, Ganesh Natarajan, he follows an open door policy. So we can walk in anytime and get ourselves heard. Flexible is the way we adapt our quality standards and our models to suit our customer environments. And of course, in doing all this, what we remember, the topmost agenda is, we always say that in doing all this, we must have lots of fun. So we have a lot of adventure clubs, we have discotheques and all that kind of thing going on. It's a real fun place to be in Zensar.
Thank you very much for being on TechBiz.
Thank you very much, Ina.